24th day of the series 30 days challenge, and today's question is, can I discuss a recent movie I enjoyed? Well, today I'm going to share with you a recently I enjoyed the movie. It is called Shaitan. It is a super exciting movie based on black magic. There were three most important characters out there: Ajay Devgan, R. Madhavan, and the girl who was possessed by a sorcerer. The sorcerer role was played by R. Madhavan, and the R. Madhavan played amazingly his role. And in this movie, all the characters played their role amazingly and wonderfully. It's got suspense, drama, action, and some funny parts too. Shaitan movie is must watch. If you are into thrillers and action-packed movies, it's got everything you could want: excitement, suspense, and a great story. So grab the popcorn and get ready for the wild ride.